that mandate.
uAdvocate Batohi uyakuphika ukuthi kunenkinga ngaphakathi kwalolu phiko kanye nokuthi kuphazanyiswa ukusebenza kophiko oluphenya ubugebengu obuhleliwe kanye namacala enkohlakalo.
The NPA is not in a crisis, and that there is no widespread sabotage of the ID or any part of the NPA that is taking place.
Uyichithile nemibiko ethi ukwesula ka-Advocate Hermione Cronje kuba ngokungaboni ngasolinye phakathi kwabo.
Advocate Cronje's resignation and ExCo's decision to approve it is a culmination of various factors, and I'm not going to go into the details of this. But the incorrect narrative in the media that it is because of interpersonal relations between her and I, it really makes my reporting, but that is where it ends. The interests of the country is important to both Advocate Cronje and I. Our decisions are made in the interests of the country.
uCronje waqokwa ngo-2019 kanti kusukela lapho lolu phiko alukaze lishushise ngisho icala elilodwa lenkohlakalo elikhulu.
Even though the wheels of justice are turning slowly, they are turning, and people cannot act with brazen impunity anymore. If you look at the ID, as I said, it started off at 0, and now we've reached a point where it's not fully capacitated. As I say, we will never have all the resources, and we do need very specialized skills that I was talking about, and we are putting every effort into doing that in a very complicated government procurement process as well.
yeNPA igxile emacaleni athinta izinkampani ezingamabhizinisi ombuso kanye nomndeni wakwaGupta.
We've got the restraint order of 44 million in immovable property and an aircraft valued at $3 million US. If you convert that into rents, it's 47 million. And this belongs to Alice Light Investments Pty Limited, as well as 60 million property that belongs to Iqbal Sharma and his wife. So yes, this is good enough to continue the litigation with the Guptas.
uBatohi uphinde wanxusa ukuthi imindeni yalabo ababa izisulu zodlame ngesikhathi sobandlululo ibekezele njengoba besaphenya lamacala.
Without fear.